guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. I finally got it in the mail today and I'm super excited to see what all I got. I recently resubscribed. I had taken a couple of months off. Well, I say that. I'd taken about over a year off. During my pregnancy, I was like really tired and I wasn't really doing a lot of makeup. I was pretty much just throwing mascara on and going to work every single day. So I was like, well, I don't really need to pay for this. I can just save the money for when we have the baby. But recently I've gotten back into this. So here's my first box. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it today and show you guys what all I got. So here we go. All right, so every BoxyCharm box comes with a little card in it that tells you everything that's in the box. So first is this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So we're gonna go ahead and see what that looks like. If I can open it. Geez, they don't want you to get into this thing. Okay, so this is actually really pretty. I've never purchased any of Becca's products before, but I've seen them at TJ Maxx. But I really like the packaging, it's pretty. Okay, so this is really neat. I really like this. So when you take the top off, I don't know if you can really see this. So it's got like this little plastic piece that comes up. So that's like the paper you have to take off in order to be able to get the powder out. But once you take that off, like this stays on there so that it doesn't all dump out into the lid if it gets like turned over or something. And that's really neat. I've never seen that before. I really like that. So I'll have to try this out. Ace Beauty has a silver glitter shadow. Let's see. Super glittery. I like it. And then Ace Beauty came in with another glimmer shadow, but this is like a pink shade. Well, it's more of like a purple. It looks really bright, but it's really not that bright. It's like darker. Let's see. Yeah, it just looks really bright on camera, but it's not that bright. But I bet those will be really pretty on. And you all know that I'm a sucker for glitter shadows because I told you guys that in my last video, which if you haven't seen, I'm gonna link down below, so go watch it. Okay, I'm super excited to try this. This is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. So in my last video, I tried out a CoverGirl mascara that I really liked. So honestly really stuck on that one. I don't even know if I can find another one that works as well as that. I'm wearing it right now and my lashes are popping. So I am definitely like eager to try this, especially because look how pretty the tube is. Oh my gosh, it's pink and beautiful. Because Tarte is such like a good brand, like, and it's so they have really good products that I like. So I'm definitely gonna try it. I just don't know if it's gonna be as amazing as the CoverGirl that I just fell in love with. However, this is the brush and it's really similar to the CoverGirl mascara that I love. So maybe it will. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. I'll have to do a video where I try out all these products. So that'll be coming to you guys pretty soon. I also got this Hollywood and Vine. I've never heard of that brand before. It is the Kohl eyeliner, Velvety Touch Smooth, and it's in black. So this is like really similar to what I'm wearing right now, which is a Wet n Wild's black eyeliner pencil. It's like, these are not just like the regular ones, they're super long, which I really like because then they last you way longer than your average eyeliner pencil, which is really nice because if you're like me, you wear eyeliner a lot. Like anytime I have a full face, just about, unless I'm just trying to do it real fast or I just want a super natural look. But if I want any drama at all, I'm definitely using black eyeliner. That's the only color eyeliner that I use on my lid. My waterline, that's a different story, but my lid, I only use black eyeliner. So this will definitely come in handy and I will definitely have to try this out and see if I like it better than the Wet n Wild one. This is a illuminating face oil. It's called Glow Ahead and this is from Wander Beauty. So it's a really pretty like pink tube. I really like the packaging. So I'll have to try this out too. And Butter London. This is just pretty. The outside is just pretty with all the flowers on it. Look at it. it's got shine. So let's see what colors. Ooh, they've got some nice colors in here. I don't really know that I would use the blue just because I'm more of like a natural. I like more of the natural looks, but like I really like the first couple ones. Here, I'll go ahead and take that off. I really like the first 4. That one could be pretty too. I do like my purples because I feel like purple makes my eyes pop since they're so green. So I really like these. I'm just not too sure about this blue color, but I will definitely have to use this in one of my videos to see. So pretty. And lastly, I just saw the name brand on this and I'm so excited. This is Luxie, which if you saw in one of my previous videos where I did the how to clean makeup brushes and sponges, I have a couple of Luxie brushes already, which I got from BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is really good about sending makeup products, but also makeup tools, and they send a lot of brushes. So I have 3 new brushes. My other Luxie brushes are pink on the bottom as well. So it's kind of cool because they'll kind of match, which that may be like a thing for Luxie that all their brushes are pink. I'm not really sure, but I really, really like these. They're so pretty. So this first one is a foundation brush, which I've said before, I'm not really super keen on like foundation brushes, but I will have to try it out and see because who knows, it may blow my mind. Although I really, really like my makeup sponge, so we'll see. And then this is the Precision Crease brush, and it's super cute. It's got like, I like the shape of it. It's really pretty. And y'all, this is like the rose gold. Oh, I just love rose gold. These brushes are so pretty. And the last brush is the Large Eye Blending Brush, which I think is beautiful as well, of course. And I just got a universal blender from Morphe, but I know this one will be good as well. You can never have too many blending brushes. You can never have too many brushes. You just can't, because you can always substitute ones out. And these are really soft too. Like, I don't want to put it on my face too much because I have makeup on, but so soft, like so soft. I love. And that is all for today's BoxyCharm unboxing. There was actually a lot of good stuff in here, so I said it before, but I'll definitely say it again. I 100% recommend BoxyCharm. Today I got 7 products and then these 3 brushes. So 3 tools and 7 products. That's a lot. I'm pretty sure that was like a special thing that I got because typically it's just 4 to 6 items. But hey, I'm not gonna question it. This isn't the Boxy Luxe either. This is just regular BoxyCharm. So I paid with shipping, it was like $22. So definitely, definitely worth it. I know this mascara alone probably costs that. So, or more than that possibly. So definitely worth it. And all of these are full size products too. None of them are like travel size. Definitely worth the 22 bucks I spent. And I'm very, very, very excited to use these in my next video. I will have to, well, maybe not my next video, but in a future video, I will definitely have to do a tutorial with my August BoxyCharm. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.